Hi, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be creating a makeup look to go with the lipstick in the shade called Day After Morocco. And I'm also taking a little mini road trip, so I thought I'd bring you with me and do a get ready with me style video. The first eyeshadow that I applied is in the shade called Sandcastle, and I went ahead and I applied that all over my eyelids. Then I took the eyeshadow in the shade called Yes You Canyon and I focused this into the crease and really blended that well into the crease. To line my eyes, I used the black eyeliner pencil. It's just a nice standard black, glides on beautifully. And to finish off the eyes, of course, I applied the Lash Project mascara. And no makeup look is complete without lipstick, so I applied the Day After Morocco lipstick. And that is the completed makeup look. Very basic, super simple and easy to do, which I love, especially when it's really hot out. We're gonna go ahead and take off now, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring you along with me on this little mini road trip to check out some cactus and desert landscaping. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and take care. Bye!